All right, conclusion. After all that, all that's left is the big picture summary. Please look over your notes as we review the big actions. Fill in any missing information, and you can always play this podcast back or reference the transcript book chapter. We started with the reasons why documenting our work and projects are important with some specific scenarios and reasons. You should have written those down. We need documents for that paper trail. They're here to capture, the action, summarize situations, request information, document incidences. We can also use them to give progress and status updates. Then we talked about some ethics and project management. So you should have 2 really big ethical elements about the types of bad news we tend to deliver when managing a project. Then we went through a bunch of genres and expectations for email, memo, letters, progress reports, incident reports, creative briefs, technical briefs, and research briefs. You should have details on all those elements. All right, use your note-taking and project guides to apply these concepts to our projects this semester. Return to these materials whenever you need to reference an aspect. Thanks, associates. Vibes! Credits and sourcing. Information and content in this lecture is derived from a combination of the following sources and the creator. That's me. Personal experiences in education, technical environments, and professional roles. This content is licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial, Share Alike. So you are free and encouraged to distribute and remix any part of it in any new medium for your goals, but please ensure your creations are available under that same license so we can keep education spreading. Practical Strategies for Technical Communication, copyright 2019 by Mike Markle and Stuart A. Selber, published in and by Bedford St. Martins. Technical Writing Essentials, copyright 2019 by Susan Last, licensed under a CC BY. Cool.